I'm Titi Anjing.
Let's learn about divisibility rules. Divisibility rule for 2. A number is divisible by 2 if one's digit of the number is even number, 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. For example, 36. As you can see, the last digit or the ones digit of the number is even number. Therefore, 36 is divisible by 2. Here's the other example. Divisibility rule for 5. A number is divisible by 5 if the ones digit of the number is 0 or 5. For example, 25. As you can see, the last digit of the number is 5. So 25 is divisible by 5. Here's the other examples. Divisibility rule for 10. A number is divisible by 10 if one's digit of the number is 0. For example, 100. As you can see, the last digit of the number is 0. Therefore, 100 is divisible by 10. Here's the other examples. Divisibility rule for 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of all the digits is divisible by 3. For example, 96. Add all the digits and then divide the sum by 3. So 96 is divisible by 3. To check, 96 divided 3 is 32. Another example, 3,615. Add all the digits and then divide the sum by 3. So 3,615 is divisible by 3. To check, 3,615 divided 3 is 1,205. Divisibility rule for 6. If a number is divisible by both 2 and 3. For example, 108. The last digit is even number, so it can be divisible by 2. And if you add all the digits and divide the sum by 3, the 108 is divisible by 3. Since 108 is divisible by both 2 and 3, then 108 is also divisible by 6. Another example, 7,254. The last digit is even number, so it can be divisible by 2. And if you add all the digits and divide the sum by 3, the 7,254 is divisible by 3. Since 7,254 is divisible by both 2 and 3, then 7,254 is also divisible by 6. Divisibility rule for 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of all the digits is divisible or a multiple of 9. For example, 135. Add all the digits, then divide the sum by 9. Therefore, 135 is divisible by 9. To check, 135 divide 9 is 15. Another example, 2,925. Add all the digits, then divide the sum by 9. Therefore, 2,925 is divisible by 9. To check, 2,925 divide 9 equals 325. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please click like and subscribe button. Thank you.